Hi everyone, this is something that has been working for me in avoiding the E4 error code. So after I have done my wash, right after I have done my wash, I turn on the washing machine again and push the start button so that the pump will start to empty out the machine. The machine is already empty, but this is a way to make sure that nothing is in that deposit that makes the E4 error. You have to be ready to stop it in the moment the pump stops, and you just turn it off. And that's it. Thank you very much. I hope it works for you too.